All right, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist. Time for the Deracho of June the 29th, 2012 update here. It's now 8:21 Eastern Time. As you can see, this is the GR Level 3 radar. We have the severe thunderstorm warnings all the way from Pittsburgh, all the way now back through going towards Tennessee. This is a very strong mesoscale convective system. It's called Deracho because of the length of amount of states it's went through and caused wind damage. We're going to zoom in on a few areas here and show you where it's projected to go over in the next hour or so. It's going to be nasty. We're talking about winds up to 80 miles an hour. This has had history of winds up to 90 and 100 miles an hour. This is nothing to be playing around with, and I'm going to tell you right now, the areas I need to be watching out for this. Eventually, Washington, D.C. I'm not going to be sure if it's going to hit you. It's going to be up near the Comet Head, so you got to watch out for tornadic action there. Charlottesville, Virginia. Fishersville, Virginia. Let's go down further. Roanoke, Virginia. Bedford, Virginia. Lynchburg, Virginia. All the way down towards Bristol, Tennessee. Even maybe the triad of North Carolina a little bit later. This is a system that's going to march its way towards the coastline. It has a lot of air to play around with. We have dew points in the 70s here in the Roanoke Valley. It's only going to add, when this thing crosses the mountains, to not weaken it. It may strengthen it. It may drop some tornadoes on the outskirts. We got to watch out for tornadoes and gustnadoes, especially in these situations, for spin-ups. Usually not strong tornadoes, but you do get spin-ups on these, and that could be devastating on top of likely likely wind damage you're going to get from the system. Because when we go and zoom it down, we're going to zoom it down now, get closer. What I have on the left is your reflective. What I have on your right is your base velocity, and these base velocities are these brighter greens. I'm telling you right now, the winds are probably pushing quite close to 70 miles an hour here, and these warnings are now extending right onto the Virginia border. There's hail, small hail in this storm, but the main thing is going to be damaging winds with this line. This is a horrific line. Let's take a look what it says for this latest warning. West Virginia, Mercer, Monroe, Summers. A severe thunderstorm with winds in excess of 80 miles an hour. This has a history of 80 mile an hour winds. Bluefield, Princeton, Lewisburg. This will be moving east. I'm guaranteeing you the next warning. Roanoke will be in this. Bedford's going to darn near be in this also. And we're expecting possibly up to 80 mile an hour, 90 mile an hour winds here. Daylight is fading, but if you can get here before 9:15, I'm maybe able to get some cloud pictures or some video, hopefully, of this storm as it moves into the area. But I have to be very careful because of the fact that we're talking about extreme winds that can hurt and kill you. Do not go out to try to take video or photography of this. It's not going to be worth your life. The reason they call this a ratio is because of how far it goes. It started back in Iowa, projected to the east. So we can hear between Iowa and Indiana, about Chicago. It started back up, and this thing has dropped wind damage all the way now to where the storm line is now. An extensive wind damage, a tornado. So, I mean, this is all moving to the southeast, and this will fill in. I'm almost guaranteeing this to happen. So stay with liveweatherblogs.com for all the latest weather information. If you live anywhere from the D.C. area south through the triad of North Carolina, be on your toes. The next 2 hours will be rocky here in that area. For liveweatherblogs.com, meteorologist, administrator, and severe weather manager Dean D. Davison. Have a great day. Stay safe in the areas.